Today we're going to be learning how to bleach and tone this dark hair. And we're also going to be putting in extensions into this hair, and we're going to be toning the extensions with the same toner that we use on the original hair, and we're going to see how well they match. Are you ready? Let's go. So we've bleached the hair, as you can see, and now we're ready to tone. Will the Blondify liquid toner tone the highlighted areas without touching the base? Let's see. The toner is kind of like a golden liquid, and we're going to mix it in a 1:1 ratio with 10 volume developer. So we're going ahead and applying our Blondify toner to the whole head. Now, can we tone the highlights without touching the base? That is what we're going to find out. Okay, so we are done applying the Blondify liquid toner, and you can see here the pigments are changing color really nicely. And now we're going to apply the same Blondify liquid toner to our hair extensions. Now, hair extensions are really big in the market at the moment, so it's really important to work with them well, and it's really interesting to figure out whether if we apply a toner, can we get the same result as we get on the original hair? Well, we're going to find out, okay? Okay, we did it. Here's the final result. We bleached and toned the hair. We put in the toned hair extensions, and you can see it's a seamless result. It's a beautiful white blonde result. And thanks to Blondify, we managed to tone, but we didn't touch the base in the areas which we wanted to keep dark.